Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Thursday afternoon at 12:15 p.m. December 22nd, I believe, 2022. And we're supposed to have a severe winter storm watch. Um and yeah, I'm going to record it. So I'm going to play what's expected to hit. This is supposed to be a really huge storm, I heard, and it's supposed to get real cold as well. So, here is supposedly what's supposed to hit. It's already started snowing, but it may storm into tomorrow. Yeah, possible blizzard conditions, they said. Yep, it's gonna be a huge storm. It's also gonna go into Michigan and northwest Indiana. But yeah, so that's all for the previews. And so yeah, I'm gonna record this storm. So enjoy the storm. All right, it is currently 12:24. It is snowing. It's not snowing too hard. But it's just beginning. You can see the snowflakes falling down. Yeah, it's really nothing. The ground's not covered. The white parts on the ground you see is from snow from like a week ago or whatever. But yeah, it's real light at the moment, but it will pick up. So yeah, I'll record more when the snow picks up, maybe in the next hour. So yeah, there's like a snow plower there. But yeah, I'm starting to see more snow on the ground. It's like 1:15. Yep, it's continuing to snow. It's like 2:30 or whatever. Little update of this snowstorm. There's still some grass spots on the ground, but still only the beginning. See the street. People's cars. Yeah. But it is, I think the heaviest still has yet to come, but yeah, keep you guys updated. Continues to come down. Yeah. Alright, be careful. There's like a long line of cars or whatever. Look at that. Snowplower plowing snow.
Call me later.
Fuck, I don't want these people seeing me think I'm filming them. But yeah. Hard for this to focus. Yeah. That icy lake full of snow. Yeah. You can see the wind blowing the snow. See that? Yeah. Blowing snow off the roof. Alright, it is like after 5, and this is how it looks now. It's already dark, still snowing. But, yep, pretty much the entire ground's now full of snow. Alright, turn on the light. I'm gonna go more into the street. Hell's people yell, kids screaming, cars. Yep. Hang on, I wish this would focus. Focus, come on. Yeah. Alright, turned off the light. But yeah. This is this update for right now. I don't know how many updates I'll have. I don't know when the snow is gonna end. I don't know if there'll be too much more snow, but I mean, they said blizzard-like conditions, but from what it looked like on the weather app, the snow, it looked like probably like 6 or 7 is when the snow could stop. But I don't know. Who knows? I may record another update later. If not, then I'll definitely record an update tomorrow morning of how the aftermath of how it looks in the daytime. But yeah. So yeah. And I'll keep you guys updated maybe a couple more times. So, and here's the snow coming down from here. But yeah. Alright, that's how it looks outside now. I don't feel like going outside at the moment. I really don't. But I'm just going to show you what it looks like from inside. Up there, I would show you up here, but it's like all frozen or whatever. Hang on. Where there's no window screen. I think I saw some snow blowing. But yeah. I think the snow is basically almost over, if not already over. It's like 6:45 at right now. Alright, it is currently 11:10 p.m. and it stopped snowing like a couple hours ago, probably around like 9ish or whatever. And basically I record the aftermath, but unfortunately it only goes back to an hour to like 10:09 and the snow was already passed. But basically all of this that hit like that's currently hitting Michigan and Indiana is basically what hit us in the Chicago area. And honestly, not as much as I thought, as they said. They said basically it was gonna be like a blizzard or whatever, and we were gonna get like a ton of snow at first. Like, I don't know, but then eventually the prediction of snow went down. Then they said up to 4 inches, and I'm looking outside, and we did get a lot of snow, that's for sure, but still not as much as as predicted or as they said. Now I started the video, it started snowing at like noon or whatever. It's like 11:11 p.m. So yeah. But now the issue in the Chicago area is basically the temperatures. It is really cold, and it's going to be really, really cold, below zero, tonight and tomorrow. And really windy too. It's right now, currently it's -4 degrees Fahrenheit in my area, and the wind chill is going to be windy later tonight, and the wind chills are going to be like probably -25 or whatever. So yeah, it's going to be freezing. As you can see, we're under pink. Pink is basically over here. It says over here or whatever on the bottom left corner. Yeah, I think left. I struggle with my left and right sometimes. This, yeah, it'll show you the colors of the temperature, and we're under pink, which is basically 0 degrees and a little bit below. Yeah, that's what we're basically under. Pink is also like around like 100, like over 100 degrees, but since it's really cold, we're under like the 0 degree part or whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah. So, under a freeze warning. This is like dangerous cold we're dealing with at the moment. See, near the Chicago Midway Airport, it's like -4. Let's see. And like near Lockport, near or Lewis University Airport, it's -6. That's in Romeoville. Near Joliet and Shorewood and Rockdale, it's -4. Yeah, and they're plowing the snow outside at the moment. I would go out and record a little bit more, but it's just way too cold, and I don't feel like going outside in that. It's just, yeah, it's gonna be really, really cold tomorrow and tonight. And again, I'll record a little bit. I'm gonna record a little bit of the snow, the last of the snow tomorrow morning in the daylight of basically all that hit. But yeah, I'm not gonna go out too much more at all this weekend, at least tomorrow. And yeah, I already usually I get my beers that I drink Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night, usually on Fridays, but I decided to get it yesterday since it's gonna be this cold, so I don't have to go out in this tomorrow, because this is dangerous cold. And yeah, basically just like the winters of 2014-15 and 13-14, where it reached below 0 those 2 years, and even late January of 2019, where it was way below 0, probably the coldest it ever got in my lifetime, and it got like to like -50 wind chills. But yeah, so if you're in the Chicago area, just stay warm. If you don't have to go outside at all tonight or tomorrow, don't. Yeah, this is probably going to be uploaded tomorrow, because I'm going to record one more clip of the final look of the snow tomorrow. The streets are probably already going to be plowed. But yeah. But either way, just if you don't have to go outside, don't. Stay warm, turn on your heat, dress in layers, and yeah, just try to stay warm as possible. And that's really all I gotta say for this video. So yeah, here's one last look at the snow. Alright, it's currently Friday morning, and or Friday afternoon, the 23rd, and this is basically all the snow we got. You can see I'm not gonna go too far. I'm not gonna be out for too long since it's freezing and it's windy as hell out here. So basically just show you again. And you can see snow blowing. Yeah, it's windy today, and they even said snow blowing today. So yeah, the streets are mostly plowed, and the parking lot street still got snow in, but you got mountains of snow over there. But yeah, basically all we got. And I'm gonna end this video, the snowstorm video. So hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm getting back inside now. And yeah, so have a good one, everyone. See you in my next video.